Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack not in channel error. This error usually happens when the Slack app tries to send a message to a channel it has not joined yet. First, open Slack and go to the channel where the error is happening. For example, the error may appear in this channel. Next, invite your app to the channel. Inside the channel, type /invite. Then add a space, type @ and select your app. After that, press enter. This adds your app directly to the channel and gives it permission to interact there. In my case, the app was already added, so I received this message. If the channel is private, open the channel details and use the invite option to add the app manually, since private channels require explicit access. After that, go back and test again. Run your request bot or workflow again to see if the error is fixed. In most cases, the issue disappears immediately once the app is added properly. If it still does not work, double-check that you invited the correct app, selected the correct channel, and installed the app in the right workspace. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.